Hello and welcome to the third tutorial of astronomy. And now we're going to look at the planets, and you've probably seen pictures like there's a sun there, and then there's some planets like Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, and then some other planets out here. And it looks like they are right next to each other, but that's actually not really true. It is the distances from the inner planets here. We have the sun here. From the sun to Mercury, it's about 50 million kilometers. And to Venus, it's about 100 million kilometers. And I'm just rounding it up just to give an order of magnitude, because this is maybe 49 million and so on, but who cares unless you're traveling there. And then out to Earth, we are 150 million kilometers from the sun. And way out to Mars, there is 225 million kilometers. And just to comparison then, our little moon here, that is 300,000 kilometers from the Earth. And all these planets in here, they are hard planets. That's the inner planets. And then when you come out here, then there's some asteroid belts, a lot of debris from the past, and then some huge planets comes here. And we will look at that in the next tutorial.